My name is Emin Özdemir and in today's video I'm going to talk about the best teenage bodybuilding tips. So for me, I'm lifting about 1 year right now. I think I have 2 months to go to get the 1 year mark. When I started the first lifting my journey, I started to think how can I get the six pack that always desired. Like when you are skinny, so you have abs but you don't. For me, I had a huge belly that hides my all muscle, so I was around 30% body fat definitely. Then I go and ask gym stuff like how can I do to get the six packs that I always desired. He goes to tell me that I need to run about 30 minutes a day on the treadmill and cut calories, and this caused me to cutting the calories off caused me to not get the full benefit of newbie gains. So if I were to choose a healthy macros like a full on protein, carbohydrates or healthy fats, that I will gain so much muscle faster. Goes on to another way too. When you're skinny and you want to get big fast, but there's no such a thing as getting big fast. All you need to do is do one proper way of lean bulking or cutting and stick to it for months. And it's another point for me. So please stick to your plans. When you are skinny and you say, no, I'm going to get that big dude, I will gain 40 pounds of muscle in this week or anything stupid like that, but this doesn't work like that. I experienced it myself, and I almost pushed around 190 pounds at 5'9", and this was borderline obese. This is not healthy and this is not doable. Please don't do it like that. Do a proper regime, like I will put down something like that on here, lean bulking, and calculate your macros to that. So probably you will need around 1 grams of protein per pound of body weight, and this is more than enough. I think 0.9 is enough too. So what you want to do as a skinny guy is just stick to your diet 300 calories above your maintenance level. Having poor form, this is one of the most important things. As a teen, your blood is like boiling and you want to do so much extreme things like deadlifting 200 kilos on the first day at the gym, or squatting 5 plates at the first day, or try to bench 2 plates at the first day at the gym, but these are not possible. The body you want to have will build over years. To try to rush the things and take your form into account. So what you want to do is just to find perfect forms. You go onto YouTube and you just write, let's say you want to do biceps curl, you just write how to do biceps curl with good form, and they will show you a 1 minute video of how you can do that properly. It's that easy. You just don't need to fucking things like these are some stupid things. Please don't do that. I did that in the past, but you will never gain a single pound of muscle from that. So another tip is working hard, not smart. When I first started lifting weights, I usually only go to gym at the weekends and stay there at 3 hours per day. This is too much. Please don't go to gym for 3 hours or 2 hours. 2 hours is long. What you want to aim for is between 25 minutes and 90 minutes. And 25 minutes is extremely light. I don't recommend it. Around 1 hour 10 minutes is the sweet spot for me. Or you don't, if you don't sit around and text at Instagram or something, this will be more than enough for you. Another thing is working hard, not smart. You want to do the best hypertrophy or which kind of thing you aim for. You want to do them and the most good form and most good exercise. So you don't want to do some stupid only really specific type of small muscle group thingy. This is for more advanced persons. Number 5 is not tracking anything. By anything I mean no macros, no lifting progress or anything like that, no pics. anything. And this is bad for many means. When you don't track your macros, you don't know if you are eating enough, or if you are eating too much, or if you are eating not enough protein or anything else. And this is really bad. You just need to do the MyFitnessPal. It's a free app. You just download it and check your calories from there. Another thing is taking progress pics. I think it's really important, because when you get to around 10 months or maybe 1 year mark, you just look at your body and you say, no, I didn't progress at all. Like, you just talk down at yourself. Olmadı. When you get around more advanced levels like 1 year, 2 year mark, you just look at yourself and you say, I haven't making any progress. And at that times, what I do is I go to my progress classroom, and what I look is what I first looking like when I first started lifting, and what I look now. I'm really proud of my progress, and you should do that too and be proud of yourself. Number 1, don't diet when you don't need to. Number 2, bulking too hard. Number 3, having poor form. Number 4, working hard not smart. Number 5, not tracking anything. So we will so I try to explain how these tips help me when I'm growing my physique, getting my lifts up, etc. And this is how can I help you too. I try my best to summarize. English is not my first language, and I love to lift, talk about stocks, and maybe e-commerce in general. So if you want to hear more from me, subscribing is really appreciated. I don't have any subs right now. If you made this far, please drop a like, maybe subscribe. I will be more than happy to hear from you or your thoughts. How can I improve? How can I edit better, maybe, or speak more fluently? I don't know. I will try my best and figure this out. One thing about me, I'm gonna figure this out.